If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you align, center, match the size of, and distribute multiple selected form fields. To show the align, center, match size, and distribute sections in the Prepare a Form panel in Acrobat, you must first select at least one form field in the Prepare a Form view in Acrobat. To do this, open a form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to open the Prepare a Form view and activate the Select tool by default. To select a field when using the Prepare a Form view with the Select tool activated, click the field. To deselect selected form fields, click into the blank or empty area in the form. To select multiple adjacent form fields in the Prepare a Form view in Acrobat, click and drag a large selection marquee in the form, starting in the empty area of the form. Acrobat then selects any form field the marquee touches when you release the mouse button. Alternatively, to select multiple non-adjacent form fields in the Prepare a Form view in Acrobat, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then click the individual form fields to select. When finished, release the Control key. Alternatively, to select all form fields within a form in the Prepare a Form view in Acrobat, press the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Selected form fields in Acrobat appear highlighted. If you select multiple form fields in Acrobat at the same time, the actively selected field within the selected fields, which is called the anchor field, appears with a dark blue border and resizing handles. It's important to know which form field is the anchor, because field adjustments in Acrobat are often based on the attributes of the anchor field. Acrobat sets the anchor field based on how you made the selection of fields. If you use the Select tool to draw a marquee to select form fields, the anchor field is the upper left or leftmost selected field. Alternatively, if you Control-click to select multiple form fields, the last field selected is the anchor field. To align selected form fields in Acrobat to one another, click one of the 6 Align buttons in the Prepare a Form panel. To align all selected fields to the left edge of the anchor field, click the Left Align button. To align all selected fields to the vertical center of the anchor field, click the Align Vertical Center button. To align all selected fields to the right edge of the anchor field, click the Right Align button. To align all selected fields to the top edge of the anchor field, click the Top Align button. To align the selected fields to the horizontal center of the anchor field, click the Align Horizontal Center button. Finally, to align the selected fields to the bottom edge of the anchor field, click the Bottom Align button. To center selected form fields to the form in Acrobat, click one of the Center buttons in the Prepare a Form panel. To center all selected fields to the vertical center of the form, click the Center Vertically button. To center all selected fields to the horizontal center of the form, click the Center Horizontally button. To center all selected fields to the horizontal and vertical centers of the form, click the Center Both button. To make selected form fields in Acrobat the same size, select one of the Match Size buttons in the Prepare a Form panel. To make all selected fields the same height as the anchor field, click the Match Height button. To make all selected fields the same width as the anchor field, click the Match Width button. To make all selected fields the same width and height as the anchor field, click the Match Width and Height button. In the context of spacing selected form fields in Acrobat, the term distribute refers to applying uniform spacing measured from the centers of adjacent selected fields. To apply uniform vertical or horizontal spacing to selected form fields in Acrobat, click one of the Distribute buttons in the Prepare a Form panel. To apply uniform spacing between the topmost and bottommost selected fields in the form, click the Distribute Vertically button. To apply uniform spacing between the leftmost and rightmost selected fields in a form, click the Distribute Horizontally button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.